This is gonna be my dinner.
Don't forget you have something else to eat.
I know. What is this?
I think this is rice pie. Oh my god.
Rice? What is this?
Tastes like a weird orange. The cherries are good.
If you dig into that a little bit more, there's another ingredient in there.
What is it? It kind of looks like meat. It doesn't look like I'll probably like it. This is totally new.
That is red bean paste.
I never heard of red bean paste. Tastes a little bit like almonds, but more disgusting.
I don't really like beans. Not at all. I'm gonna get water because I want to wash it down.
Yeah, sure.
I just really don't like beans.
Milkshake. It's lemonade? No, wait. It's with brown
scared.
sugar. It tastes like coffee.
That is really good. It tastes like eggnog, but then it also has a cinnamon taste in it, which is really good. I think they put water in the eggnog. I feel like they would only serve this at like really fancy parties. This is not milk. It's something totally different.
It's called horchata.
Horchata.
I tried it.
Okay. What is the sandwich though? That's kind of spicy. I feel like there's like chicken or something, like curry chicken.
Did you ever taste anything so spicy?
No. It looks like it has vegetables in it.
This was terrifying. So spicy. There's like these little black seeds.
Mustard seed.
I didn't know mustard grows.
I could see why someone would like that, but to me, it doesn't go together.
Is this made with rice?
I think this might be like jam? A jam or an animal's liver? At first I thought it was like melted ice cream, but now I think it's like,
Smells like coconuts.
it tastes like mushrooms. I feel like it's milk.
It's a pudding made out of rice.
Ew.
Okay, I taste rice.
I never heard of black rice.
I don't know any places where they would serve this. Russia? Canada? Canada.
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
I'll give it a 1 for like good effort.
Is that a leaf?
Yay!
It's always good, so like I like just know how good it is.
Tastes a little bit weird.
I think there's rice in it.
Oh yeah! All I really taste is potatoes.
They are stuffed grape leaves.
It's weird.
It does not taste like a grape to me.
Leaf is really good. I had never tried leaf before.
Do you know where these are from?
Mexico. Wait, is it Mexico? South Korea. North Korea.
It might be Mexico.
These are from Greece.
I don't know, it reminds me of like ancient Greece, like kind of like all wrapped up, like the people themselves.
Oh yeah, maybe the people are grape leaves.
No. It looks like noodles, but like melted noodles. Kind of tastes like a little bit similar to mac and cheese. Kind of like a rough texture, but like tasty. It's pretty good. And mixing it to make it straight. It's almost like like cheese juice. I have a feeling it's rice. Risotto?
Risotto.
I don't
Risotto,
like
that's
it. I just don't like it.
I wouldn't rate it a 10.
It's rated like a 200.
You rated 200. I rated a 7. It's like way better than what my mom makes.
What is that? It looks like a pizza, but then if you look on the bottom, it has like rice, and then you realize that it's not a pizza.
What does it taste like?
Normal rice with a bit of bread on top. Yeah, that's just rice. I don't like the top. I don't like the crunch to it. It gives like a popcorny flavor. It ruins the dish to me.
Do you know where you might be able to try that dish?
Japan, China, India, Georgia? No, that's in the U.S. Poland, Turkey, Pakistan. I don't know. I haven't practiced my states. Nepal, Iran.
You got it.
Yes, this dish is from Iran. You could eat it as a side dish if you want like rice and beans. Just put the beans on top and then the chicken. But just don't eat it plain.
What is this?
Is that a pickle or something?
It might have some chicken in it. This is good.
The flavor is nice. Jambalaya.
I feel like I've heard this. New Orleans. I got it?
I'm gonna take another bite out of it. What is this? I know it's seafood. Looks like it's squid.
We also have a squid. We need another squid. It looks like a guy that's running towards me.
Tastes squishy.
Do you eat it with their heads on and everything?
Sometimes. That's my mom's thing.
Rah. I think those are the legs. I like shrimp. It's pretty good.
So fish?
Shrimp?
Onion ring? No. Mussels.
I've had a mussel before. Tastes a little bit like turkey. Really salty.
I would call this dish under the sea. And this is like the water. No, it looks like the sand. Oh yeah! This is the sand, and this is like all the creatures.
This is paella.
Paella?
My name was better.
These look like giant. Whoa! I don't know how I'm supposed to eat this. Oh, that's cold. Did the fried cream inside? Oh, I like this one. Chocolate on the outside, vanilla on the inside. Really good. It tastes like a Tootsie Roll is on the outside. Wait, is this made from rice? The outside? I have a feeling this is a trick. Look at the flavor here. Is this olive oil? This is green tea ice cream. Green tea? I didn't like that one, but I love this one. Oh, that's not right. I have a feeling this is gonna taste really bad. I thought it was gonna be vanilla.
That is black sesame.
Tastes terrible. I liked one of them. This is the only one I like. I thought it was only like white rice and yellow rice and like things like that. I didn't think anybody could transform rice. So this is cool.